Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna go with orange stripes and blue. What do you think? That actually looks pretty sharp. I kind of like orange. Orange and blue kind of go together. Anyway, there's the pod. I'd show you the inside, but it's all taped off, but the inside has been all like rubber coated. It's not like truck bed liner, truck bed, truck bed. But yeah, look at the bottom. Look at that. It's all smooth. So yeah, hopefully next time we see this, it's all pretty. What you got there, Scott?
I got pipes.
Pipes or tubes?
Whatever.
I can't help it.
There you are.
So here's the thing. So I haven't even said this in the videos yet. We discovered more damage. Look at that. Dude, this isn't a big deal. That's just support to hold these two things together. It's not a big deal that it's slightly oval. That's not hurting anything. This, however, look at that. You can't really see it all that well. It's not great, but this side, same, crushed. And oh yeah, there, you can see that better, I think. Let me get the camera angle right here for you. See, that's what it does. That's what it looks like on the other side too. It doesn't move as easy. So what we're thinking happened is when the ski came down, you gotta be able to see my hand here when I do that. When the ski came down, pulled this way, it's attached to this, and we think this rotated. And when that rotated like that, that's when it tore the holes in these tubes. So these tubes are not super complex. There's one mild bend in it here, but that's easy. It's just basically a straight 5 foot and 1 inch. So when we order the tubes, they only come in foot increments of 1 foot at a time. So we had to order 6 feet to get 5 feet and 1 inch. Anyway, that's what we're doing tonight. So cut, measure, bend, drill, install. We'll see how it goes, right?
Thanks, Scott.
Ha ha ha! He's funny, that guy. So a little extra?
Happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Are you happy with that, Stephen?
I'm happy with that. I think that'll do.
Mr. Spielberg.
So it's a much shallower bend than that. So I think.
Captain Obvious.
Yeah. You laughing at me or with me?
At you.
Yeah. Okay. This is just your basic everyday what you'd have in a garage, right? Everybody should have one of these.
They should have one.
Well, check this out. Where's the gauge? Oh, isn't that cool?
Got numbers on it, you just can't read them.
So it just does it automatically.
Holy crap.
That's pretty.
That's perfect.
I'm not even looking through the camera. I was just looking out with my eyes, and look at that. See, we did practice a few times. Yeah, the sound. Hey, those are expensive sound effects. Don't be laughing at my sound effects. I paid a lot of good money for those. That's it, Bob. Two bent tubes? 2 bent tubes. Say that 6 times fast. Don't. I'd cut it out if you did anyway.
Don't like me.
I do so. So look at the poor Beaver. There's even less parts on it right now. And we dropped the rudder pedals and dropped all the bolts on the floor. That was me.
I'm thinking if it wasn't for the video camera, this would have been together about 3 weeks ago.
The viewers want to know.
Okay.
Yeah, very.
So there's the bent pipes. That was actually pretty quick. That didn't take us very long, did it?
No.
No, it didn't.
Can't really tell on television, but it's only 3 days.
It's only been, it hasn't been me.
We've circled around our same clothes again.
So yeah, no holes drilled yet or anything, and they're just kind of fitted in here for now. We're gonna paint them and then drill them. We're just gonna drill them in place because then we know it's right. So anyway, that is these tubes. And now Scott's doing his because Scott is building his own beaver. Are we gonna document that one too? Beauty. So there we are, the start of Scott's beaver. Right there. It all begins with one tube.
What was that?
All right, well, I think that's it for tonight. We got Scott's tubes bent here. See them? I didn't put these on video. So Scott's building his, and he needs these tubes here. So we bent those tonight for Scott. We didn't bend these ones yet, but we're gonna. Not tonight, another night. But yeah, it's coming together. So good night, Scott.
Good night, Scott.
He did it again. I'm so happy and proud of him. Good night, Jace.
Good night.
That's my heart breaking. All right, see you guys next time. Oh, before I forget, Ryan from FlyingAirsickAdventures. You should go check him out. He just put out a new video. I'm gonna put it in the link down, maybe up here, maybe here. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere. Check out his new video. He does dead stick landings in his CGS Hawk. It's really cool. He's like at one point, oh, I landed right where I wanted to. That was lucky. That wasn't lucky. It was skill. He's a good pilot. Anyway, go check him out. FlyingAirsickAdventures. What a great name. I wish I had thought of that. Anyway, now I'm finally out. So goodbye.